Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today you guys are joining me back in the bathroom that I recently made over a month ago to give you guys a 1 month update. A lot of you guys had questions on how these products would withstand time, cleaning, and just what the bathroom looks like now. So I'm here to give you guys some updates. If you guys didn't see this bathroom makeover, you definitely need to check it out. This bathroom looked nowhere close to the way it looks right now. It was a completely different style, color, everything was different. So if you guys want to see how I made over this bathroom on a budget of under $400, definitely check out that makeover video. I'll link it down below. And for those of you that did see the bathroom makeover, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching that. I have another one coming soon. So at the end of this video, I will show you guys a sneak peek of the next bathroom project. I'm really excited but really stressed because it's like a lot of work, but if we could do this bathroom, we could do that one as well. But let's get into all the details on the 1 month update of this bathroom project. All right, so let's start off with one of the biggest changes we've made in here, and I would say that is the flooring. I am so happy with the flooring. A lot of you guys commented saying you either loved it or you were worried that it wasn't a good idea and it wasn't gonna last. So that's kind of why I wanted to make this video as well, to kind of show you how they've held up over time. So I have peel and stick floor tiles from Wallpops over top of my existing pink ceramic tiles. I am just thrilled with them. I love the way it looks. I love how affordable this option was to changing up your flooring. It was also very easy to put down. They have stood the test of 1 month time and they are all laying flat. Nothing has moved. Everything is in line and I'm so happy about that because when I put them down, I didn't know if they were going to peel up over time or anything like that. I even had some of you guys comment on the videos saying that you've had these tiles for like 15 years and they're perfectly fine. So that gave me a lot of hope as well, knowing the future of these. I know this product is probably pretty new to some of you guys. Peel and stick flooring sounds kind of wild, but it's not just like a little sticker, like paper thin. It has a thickness to it. It has weight to it, so it lays flat. It has a really sticky adhesive behind. And yeah, it's just a really cool modern alternative way to having laminate flooring or even having like a really cool tile pattern like this. When it comes to cleaning is a little bit different with these tiles. I'm using this laminate floor cleaner because on the Wallpops website where I got the tiles, it says to use a laminate cleaner, so I thought might as well be safe with that. You're also not supposed to use a lot of water when cleaning these floors, so I use one of these little mop pads like this and I wet it, wring it out to the point where no more water is coming out of it so it's damp, and then I spray it with my laminate floor cleaner. So that's worked for me. It's not putting a ton of excessive water on the floor and it just gets the surface clean. You can also use apple cider vinegar. I think you can use white vinegar, but the whole thing about cleaning this floor is just using minimal water so that you're not drenching it, you're not getting water in the seams, you're just using a minimal amount to get the surface clean. So that has worked for me. I also want to mention that this isn't a bathroom that anyone showers in. The shower isn't really that great. It probably needs some updating. So this is more used for bathing, just using the toilet, the sink. So there's not really like extreme moisture in here. There's not a lot of like water falling on the ground or anything like that. So I did see a lot of people asking if there was gonna be water under the tiles and if it was gonna get in the seams, and I just don't really see that happening in this bathroom. Oh, and I also did want to show you guys what it looks like coming in the bathroom from the hallway. Some of you guys were asking what that would look like transitioning from floor to floor. So I have carpet outside in the hallway, and then we have a little piece of marble splitting up the flooring, and then I decided to start the peel and stick tiles from there on, and I think that looks like a good transition. I also want to mention that I did caulk around the edges just to make sure that there wasn't water coming down from the bathtub and seeping in underneath. So I did try and seal as much as I could off so that it looks professional, but it also lasts longer. So I do recommend doing that as well. So really, other than that, all you need is scissors and a clean floor and you can get this flooring done in like a few hours. I will leave the link to that website where I got these down below so you guys can check out the different patterns, stuff like that. Another place I want to update you guys on is the countertop. So I don't know if you guys can tell from there, but this is actually a wrapped countertop with marble contact paper. So I found marble contact paper on Amazon. So underneath this was like black, brown laminate, and I just couldn't make that color work. So I really wanted to change up the countertop on a budget. So the one thing I would say is definitely try and make sure you do that with a partner or somebody else there, maybe with a heat gun, making sure that everything is completely seamless. My goal was to get from one side of the counter to the other with one roll. but it was really hard to do it on my own, so I ended up with seams, and I ended up with a seam right down the middle. I didn't think about that until the seam ended up there, and I was like, oh, whatever. I'll get over it. Now that I do have seams around the countertop, I make sure that I'm careful while I'm cleaning, because again, I don't want to get excessive water underneath the contact paper, because I don't know what would happen if that happened. So I use minimal water when cleaning the countertops. I use a really gentle multi-surface cleaner and really wring out the cloth so that it's not like drenched in water and gets in any kind of seams. So I'm just careful while cleaning, but the surface is really easy to take care of. The one thing I would say is when I straighten my hair or use a blow dryer or curling iron, I make sure that I put my heated tool on a silicone pad. So right now I'm just using like one of those makeup scrubber pads, and that just keeps it off the countertop so I'm not burning through the contact paper, because I don't know what would happen if that happened either, but I just make sure that I keep that stuff away from it. I'd also say it'd be easy to do a countertop that doesn't have two sinks, because that made it a little bit harder. And the fact that my countertop at the edge has like this little rivet to it, that made the peel and stick kind of harder to press down into, and there is some air bubbles. I can look past all these little details, but if you can't, maybe the peel and stick is not for you. I also did caulk all the edges around the sink and the wall just to make sure everything looks seamless as well, and I think that really helped. If you don't do that, you kind of see like where you cut lines and stuff, it doesn't look as good. So make sure you go in with some like waterproof caulking to do all the edges, and that will transform the countertop. Overall, as a product, I think it's really great, and I think it can totally update a space if you need that. So I'm gonna link that product down below for you guys as well. Another thing I want to update you guys on is towels. I picked some nice little towels to hang on the towel rack, a pink one with tassels, and that was really just to tie in the whole design and really look decorative, but I didn't want to get them dirty. I found every time I was using the bathroom, I needed a place to wipe my hands, but I didn't want to touch the pretty towels, so I decided to add in a more functional towel hanging beside the shower. I ended up using a suction cup hook that I found at IKEA, and that made it so easy to install. I didn't have to drill any holes in the wall or make any permanent decisions. So that allows my towel to hang that I can wipe my hands on, or even hang wet towels on coming out of a bath. If you guys have a rental, all of these solutions are great for you. Peel and stick tile, peel and stick countertops, and suction cup hooks. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on was the bath mats, and I can't remember if I mentioned this in the whole makeover video, but I picked this pale kind of nudish pink color because the shower tiles that are existing in the shower are that color, and I thought when the shower is open, I don't want it to completely clash with the room. I really want to bring in that pale pink that's in there and use it throughout the space to kind of make it all work together. So I decided to bring in that pale pink color from the shower tiles into bath mats and towels, and I really think that gave more of a cohesive look. And oh, I forgot to mention, loving the cabinets, loving the new hardware. Literally everything that we did in here just totally made it feel so much better and like brand new. I get really happy walking in here. I love how bright it is. So many things. So if you guys want to do something to your bathroom that's similar, I will link the bathroom makeover video down below so you guys can check it out and kind of follow along and do similar things at your house. Everything was affordable, easy, and a lot of it is removable, so really fun for like rental units. My parents love this bathroom as well. They're so impressed with it that they want to do the same thing or similar kind of update to their master bathroom. So I'm gonna bring you guys over there right now and show you guys what it looks like. You're gonna be shocked. I've never showed anyone this bathroom before because it is so extremely 90s and crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and that will be our next big project. All right, so welcome to probably the greenest bathroom you will ever see. Look at this. It's a huge bathroom with green countertops, green flooring, green bathtub, green shower. This is gonna be a really big project because, as you can tell, a lot needs to change in here. I'm gonna be doing it on a budget, doing it all myself, and really trying to update this bathroom as best as we can without doing a major renovation. That may come eventually as the years go on, but for now we need to drop all the green. Even there's a green curtain. Oh my gosh, nothing has changed at all since 1994. So I hope it inspires you if you have any kind of bathroom that looks anywhere close to this, and how you can update it as well on a budget. So I'll be showing you guys that hopefully soon. It's a little harder now because I can't go out to all the stores and get everything I need, so I'm waiting for a lot to come in the mail, and that's taking longer than usual now. Anyways, I hope this 1 month update really helped answer any of those questions you guys had on the bathroom makeover. If you have any other questions on the products I used or anything, leave them down below in the comments and I'll answer all the questions there. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button if you guys are excited to see this green bathroom totally transform. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss that. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss an upcoming video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!